Hello everyone, welcome back. Simply You Makeup. I am V. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, new and old. I love you all. Thank you for keep showing up. Thank you for keep sharing my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today we are going to do something a little crazy again because I am just that type of person out of the box. We are going to do out of the box fun makeup. You'll hear noise in the background, the AC's on. Menopausal woman needs it. 56-year-old woman needs it. But if you have a palette or a single eyeshadow, pull it out. We're going to have makeup fun. We're going to create magic. And at the end of the day, we're going to wash it all off and call it a day. We're ready to start? I'm using my Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette again. What colors I'm going to use, I never know. I look at the palette and then I figure it out as I go. You and we're going to do the same thing. Please let me know if you have a certain color eyeshadow look you'd want me to create. Put it in the comments and I'll try to accomplish that for you. Right now, let us start. I am not sure where I'm going, but we're going. We're doing something wild and crazy. Okay, so let's do it. I'm starting in my brow. Yes, that is where I'm starting. It's not a mistake. It is just there. I'm starting. Want us to do something out of the box, wild and crazy. Let's have some makeup fun. This is a shimmer. It is a green shimmer. I can't tell the name because I don't have my glasses on. So hopefully at the end I will tell you what it is once I remember. You know, I get into this makeup, applying it, and then at the end I forget to tell you what shade I use. So let's just hope I remember. Makeup fun. Oh my God, this is fun. I love doing this. I just love doing this. This is so much fun. Do you love doing this kind of stuff? You don't have to go out with it, but you know, just pull out your palette and let us have a little magic here. Magic, magic, magic. I might not edit this video because I want you to see the full process. So please watch the complete process of this eye look because it is fun. It is just fun. It is fun. Let's make sure we do the right thing here. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, what can we talk about? Because this is gonna be a little one. You like? I am liking this. This is like right up my alley. Snap, snap. Snap, snap. One side. We gotta do the other side, right? Let's do the other side. Okay, what can I talk about? Oh, I'll talk about Dominica. I love to tell you about Dominica because it brings back so many memories about me and my mom. So I truly love to talk about Dominica. Dominica is beautiful. Dominica has a lot of beautiful places to visit. I always knew Dominica was beautiful, but in 2016 when I went to Dominica, I realized how gorgeous Dominica is because I left Dominica as a young teenager. I was just a teenager when I left Dominica years ago, so I didn't get to venture a lot of places. I mean, I walk around in my village, which my village is the cultural capital of Dominica. So that was a lot to begin with, and you know, there are lots of things to do. There. But 2016 was when I took my family there, and it was a really nice treat to go and see all over Dominica. Yeah, that was gorgeous. What you do to one eye, try do to the other eye, because you want to get as close as possible. You'll never be perfect. There is no perfection in eyeshadow. I don't care what anyone else says. Me telling you, there's no perfection. Perfection is what prevents you from using your palette. So once you know there is no perfection, pull your palette out and start playing with it. That's it. But I'm in Dominica, have places. There's this place called the Boiling Lake. It is a place where the steam coming out from the ground. I didn't get to go there when we went the last time. When we went in 2016, that was one of the places I didn't get to go. But for the 10 days on the island, we went a lot of places. OMG, how you like? How you like? Is it nice? This is so cute. Cute, cute. This is pretty. I'm liking that. Next shade, what are we using? I need something dark in the outer corner. Is it another shimmer or is it a matte? I don't know. Let's try something red. I'm gonna use my finger. It's a matte, but I'll use my finger right here. If I don't like it, I can always just cover it up with something else. But I mean, I never realized how gorgeous Dominica is. So we did a lot. We went to the waterfalls where you have to swim through a cave. It's a big cave opening, you know, it's just an opening. And you have to swim through that to go through. We didn't get to do that because we went in December. December gets a little cool down there, and Dominica rains. It has a lot of rain sometimes, and then, you know, the time when we went there, the weather was just not cooperating. Hello, hello, I am liking this. This is cute. This is nice. Okay, we need another color. I tell you, we're going all out on this look. It's just, we're gonna go all out and have some fun. Makeup fun. Go with me, let's have fun. Next color, what am I gonna use? I need another color. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna take another shimmer. Okay, this one. Let's see, I'll put it right here and bring it all over here. Right now I'm just putting it in place. We will fix it. I fix some of it as I go through, but there'll be more fixing, you know, so we can see what it looks like. But I remember when I was there, my great-grandmother, not my grandmother, my great-grandmother on mother's side, I used to call her Manna. Manna used to give us stories. And it was so much fun. I loved them. She'd go, "Messier, quick!" And then the kids would go, "Messier." She'd go, "Messier, quick!" And we, the kids, would go, "Quack!" And she would start the story. It used to be so much fun. I swear she made stuff as she goes. As we get older, I realize she maybe was just making stuff up just to give us a fun time. And it was always fun. I used to always look for it. And some nights when she didn't do it, I'd be like, "Manna, Manna, you forget to tell us a story." Well, back then it wasn't English. I would say, "Manna, Manna, on oublié dinu storia." I'm trying to learn the patois again because after so many years, you know, you kind of tend to forget, but little by little I'm practicing and getting to know it. This is what we're looking at right now so far. We are coming along, baby. Take your palette out, let's have some fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. I need another color. I am an artist, so some days when you come on this channel, you'll find wearable eye makeup for every day. And some days you'll find the artist in me has risen and want to create something like off the wall. So today it's an off the wall, creative kind of look. Let your creative juice flow. Let it flow, don't hold it back. Let it flow and do something. Have fun. Now, next one. I'm gonna go over here. Another shimmer. And let's create. Let us create this. This is a beautiful color. If you like that palette and you don't want to buy it now, wait when it's on sale and purchase it. You have all the colors to play with. This palette is cute. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yeah, so back to the story time. So I would always remind her, you didn't say any story tonight, even though some of them were so scary that it can make you shit your pants. I would lay down that night and tremble before I fall asleep some nights because she would make it so scary. And as a little kid, you don't know what she's telling you is not true. She's just making it up. But hey, you don't see that. There is no way to see that when you're 6, 7. You're just afraid that whatever she tell you, the Jumbi, the Ajabless, the Lugau, the Sukuya, coming to get you. All these words that I just used, it means witch. But in patois, that's what it was. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you want to see some other looks like this? Some creative looks, out of the box kind of look? Let me know. Let me know what you want to see and I will try and create it for you. Right. Okay, are we ready for the reveal of our creative, magical eye makeup look? Here it is. I hope you took your palette out and created something magical. This is my magical look that I created today. Move the hair out of the way so you can see the complete thing. This is it. I take the green shimmer and I went this way all the way down here. I add a little pink blush to it. I have some shimmer on the rest of my eyes and the only matte shade is the red right here. This is it. What do you think? Leave me everything you have to say in the comments. I hope you were creative. I hope you did something magical today to bring you some joy and some laughter and have fun. Have some makeup fun. Makeup is fun. This is my look today. Always remember, you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. And Simply Makeup is saying in my mother's town and language, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, masab ola ouye. Si ou ta pe keshoy pou faire oui jodi, di merci bon Dieu. What I just said was, good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't know where you are, wherever you are. If you find something that make you laugh today, give thanks to God or the universe or whoever you worship. I will see you again. Bye. Yeah. Fabulous and sexy.